You want to change life and you have this thought that you can change your life by skipping the hard parts of the life. Funny, that doesn't make sense. Sounds very funny. That doesn't make any sense. What is change? Change means giving things up. Okay, change means you are neglecting something, you are removing certain things from your life and adding certain things into your life. Hear this out. This is the truth. Transformation demands sacrifice. You can't hold on to bad habits. Understand this. You can't hold on to old habits and expect for new results. You can't. No. It's time to let go of the things which are not helping you. If you are confused, depressed, start small. At least what matters is you are starting. Start small. Get rid of at least one bad habit. Maybe it's junk food, maybe it's being lazy whole day, maybe it's sleeping too much. Yes, that's a bad habit as well if you are sleeping more than 8-10 hours. And replace those things with something good which will benefit you and make your life more meaningful. How about exercise? Each sacrifice you do is a step forward. Replace the old habits with something new, something better. Read a book, learn a skill, learn a new skill. There are tons of skills, like tons, thousands of skills you can learn. Just grab one or two of them and just focus and lock in. Move your body, go walking, go to gym, go running, do push-ups or do push-ups. Just grow, 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 grow. Believe in growth. Don't stay confused after hearing this. Don't stay confused. Be bold. Sacrifice. Why are people successful? Because they sacrifice. Sacrifices pave the way to success. Start changing, start sacrificing. So what will you give up today to win tomorrow?